I'm just gonna dive right into it. We have some data sources registered in our application, and to really do something that you'll enjoy, I'll open a new editor. Some of you, or maybe all of you, have seen Eclipse 3.4, I hope. They have the new breadcrumb in place there that shows object hierarchy. So we have the same. We have the breadcrumb in our editor, and we filter out our data sources. So first breadcrumb just shows you all data sources, and when you choose one of them, it gets the editor. It's attached to the editor, the current editor, and it shows you that this is an Oracle one, for example. And in the second breadcrumb, you can only see Oracle data sources filtered out. I'm just going to use a SQL Server data source now. SQL Server source catalog, so we have the breadcrumb that shows you the catalog. Okay, so I'm a Java developer, for example. I'm not a SQL developer. I'm not a DBA or something. But I want to just open up our SQL and write code. For that, we actually have some features that will help you right from the start, like SQL Assist and SQL templates. You hopefully all know about the templates in the Java editor. We have the same thing in our editor called SQL templates. We have actually 271 templates in place now. So, for example, you just go into an editor and you want to create a table, for example, and you just type create, and all these templates will show up. Choose, for example, create table, and similar to the templates in the Java IDE, we'll create a table. So column name. I'm just gonna quickly go through this. As you can see, if every time you go to one column name, the occurrences get marked up. Constraints, and just do this, and execute. And in the Data Source Explorer, if I refresh the tables node, I'll see my table created with the columns I just put in and the constraints, primary key, everything is there. So let's try another thing. I told you about the code complete, and I'm just gonna show you a quick preview of that. So I typed in the schema name. Now when I press press the dot, it shows me the column names and the view tables and views from this schema that I selected. Just gonna select one table. So I execute. You can see here the results viewer. This is just one of the ways we can display the results viewer for you. This is the grid layout. You can choose between grid, HTML, XML, and text. I'm just going to show you also XML. Just go and visit it again, and you see the results in the HTML format. You can save this data. You can hide these results because you don't really need to see them all the time. So I typed in schema name and table. You sometimes, without going to the Data Explorer, you can just work in the SQL editor. You can extract information. You can work with only the SQL editor open. Like I'm going to do an extract now. Just you can see the information from the table. You can create another table just by modifying this a little. It's really easy to understand. It's not complicated. Just like in Java, just press Control and hover the table name. Another cool thing we have here is we support transformations. So like I'm gonna go and do this and equals null. This all seems alright, but if you execute it, doesn't return anything. Although we have some information in the ABMS table. So we have a hint here. Now comparison use equal to operator does not match any rows. You click on it or just use Control 1, the quick fix. You replace it and it replaces it correctly with the is now and you execute again. And now you have information. Although you may have thought that the previous one was correct, this is actually the correct one and we guide you to it. So these are some basic functionalities from our editor. Someone is carefully trying to remind me that we also have on the fly validation. Like I just changed the name of the table, and because we don't have it in the data source, it gets flagged. And you can see that right away. We just fix it and it goes away. I think formatting. Oh, you also wonder if you have formatting. Okay, we have formatting. We have some people in the audience that know their Java and their SQL. So, okay, have format SQL here, just like format Java, and you can actually configure all this out and choose from different types of formatting. This we have a built-in profile, and you can edit it out. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this. We also support the stuff like debugging, but if you're interested, we can talk afterwards, and you can get more details. And if you have some credit cards on you, you can also.
The corporate help is